So tonight we are here because we are having a family service night with our 4-H after school program at the Milford Central Academy, and we have several table stations set up so that the students and their families can go around and make. So for example, at Station 1 we have a greeting card where they can make a greeting card. Station 2 is a coloring book for children for 4-H. So that packets are being put together and they're also going to go in the bag. We also have a donated book that is going to go to the children. There's a bookmark station where families can make a bookmark and add it into the donation as well. Then we have a paracord station, so it's bracelets that they're making, and our student ambassadors are helping families make those because they've never made them before. And then at the very end we have pinwheel poppies that are going to go to the Milford Veterans Home, and they say on them MCA 4-H after school program. So I've been in contact with two of the local organizations. One is the People's Place in Milford, who has the Battered Women's Home, and then the Milford Veterans Home. And so we're getting those ready for Memorial Day. I would just like to say a big thank you to everybody that has participating in making this event possible. My student ambassadors were very helpful in that process. And so everybody here working together tonight, it's for a common goal, and I love to see it, and we're going to have more of them.